Welcome back to crAftY. In this video we are going to see how to make a waterfalls. So before entering into the video, subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Come on, let's enter. For making this realistic waterfalls, we will be needing is a cardboard, so it should be shaped like this. For the second step, we will be needing is some newspapers or waste paper. So make rolls like this. So not just one, many. Now take the cardboard and stick those rolls. For sticking, you will be needing is Fevicol. Stick it completely. After it is done, take some gum with water and also you will need some tissue papers. Cover completely. So this is the result. You are supposed to dry it up at least for 10 to 15 minutes. So that only the tissue papers could mingle with the papers. Time to paint. We will be needing is two colors. One is black and another one is dark green. Let's start up with black. So here's the completion of black. So fill the gaps that you could see with dark green color. Hey guys, I hope you could see the realistic mountain. So joining up both black and dark green could give you a realistic mountain. Now there at the bottom you could see one place not covered with anything. So there we are gonna cover with hot glue gun. But what is this? Yeah, it's definitely water. Here's the water, then where is the waterfalls? Yeah, here it is. So we made this with this pad. So if you don't have this pad, then you can make with mirror. I'm gonna fix it here with using the hot glue gun. Here we did with the first one. We are going to do the remaining two. And here we got it. Guys, we made up the mountain so much realistic. Then what about the waterfalls? Yeah, let's go. For that we will be needing is a thin brush with white color. Let's draw some lines on the waterfalls. Hey guys, it's done. Can we end up? No. I'm planning to add up some bushes and plants. Maybe this can help me. But how can we get this? Yeah, it's all because of this scrubber. I hope you might have done using this for cleaning out vessels. Let's cut it. Now here we have the scrubber's bushes and some gum. Let's gum it out. Comment below if you feel this is realistic, because this mountain, waterfalls and this bushes, everything seems to look so much realistic, and this is the best craft for ever. Before trying, please do subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos.